pulling into Talking Stick stores, Home Depot, Target, all that. Looking for a 2014 Chrysler Town and Country. A frickin' gem, if you will. He said he's right in the middle of where they have the car show stuff. Can you move your stupid truck? Jeez. Let's see. I thought I saw it, but that's a Sequoia, so not even close. He said he was by the McDonald's. And he was right in the middle of the car show stuff. I don't see it. Come on, man. Let's try this lane, because this seems like the most middle of it. Where is this guy at? I hate this. I don't see any Town and Country. People keep walking in front of me like they want to die. I will gladly oblige. Get out of my way. I don't see. Oh wait, maybe it's over there. Maybe it's that one. Let's call him. Make sure. Hey, are you in front of the Home Depot more so? The Home Depot? Okay, I forgot you said gas station. I was focused on McDonald's. Okay, I'm pulling up right now, then I just gotta come back down from the Home Depot. All right, thank you. Bye. No, the cart guy is getting in my way for Home Depot. He's laughing about it. I don't think it's funny. Move. You dig it? All right, so between McDonald's and the gas station, I don't know why he said anything about the car show. He's nowhere near where they would be. Come on, guy. Everybody with their giant pickup trucks that don't do any kind of giant pickup truck things. Oh, I guess they do have the car show part over here too. I thought it was all over here. Okay. Yeah, so all I had to do was look left instead of looking right. That's my bad. Let's see. White Town. Oh, okay, I see him. He's not right in the middle of it, like he said, but I appreciate him either way for being semi-clear. If I would just listen, I would have seen it sooner, but all good. Luckily, there's no one parked in front or behind him, so we can pull it right out of the spot that it is in. Get him out of these car show people's way. Come on. Need to move my clipboard thing. It's making a little noise. All right. Yeah, you said McDonald's and I just locked in on that for some reason.
Hungry?
Yeah, right. All good. So it does go into neutral, right?
It should, yeah.
Okay. I forgot to ask that, but I think my dispatcher mentioned something about that you said it would, but we'll double check right now. And then we're taking it to Chapman?
Yeah, right down the road here.
Okay, yeah, yeah. You just get some pictures, we'll verify it'll go into neutral, and then go from there. Oh, man. Good to go. The key. Thank you, sir. Let's see. Perfect. I'm gonna roll the window down too, just in case it wants to lock itself. Turn that off. Straighten that out. Good to go. All right. I got one more call stacked up after this. I'm trying to be quick. Don't mind talking and BSing with people, but when I have people waiting. Woo. Oh shit. Almost. All right. So though, I want to make sure though, not keen on doing that to any car really. I don't care what it is. Just a little bit. Do you need anything off those keys?
No, I think it's just, oh yeah, actually my house key.
Okay.
I just thought about it.
Yeah, no worries. So if you want to take those off, I'm just going to put them back in the ignition so I don't lose them.
It'd be nice to make it back inside there, right?
Right. Thank you, sir. There we go. Do you have a specific service advisor over at Chapman?
Oh, one more thing actually.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Careful, I don't know. I just called her this morning and got the appointment.
Okay.
But I know they should have me on the schedule for Monday as Kenneth Young, so they'll
okay.
probably know to show up.
Sounds good. Are you going down there with me? You got another ride?
I'm going to go down there with you. Have the keys,
okay.
Ride with me.
Sounds good.
Why not have a ride with me?
Yeah, no worries.
Just make sure it gets turned in okay and all that good stuff.
For sure.
And hopefully talk this guy to go to the gun show.
Right. There you go.
So I got to fix my car. I got to buy me a new AR-10.
There you go. Soften the blow.
Yeah, that's the deal.
Feel that. I kind of did that the other day. Like I fixed one of my project cars. I was like, you know what? I'm gonna go to the range to celebrate.
There you go.
Ended up shooting 2 boxes. I was like, oh man. Yeah, I got a little nuts. I was like, okay.
Yeah, that shit gets expensive. Huh?
Dude, I'm only shooting.
The fact that you're buying guns, but then you go shoot them.
Right. I'm only shooting 9mm too, which is relatively cheap, but still, you know, I was like, oh my gosh. Excuse me. Yeah, I was like, do I take the 45 today? I was like, no, that's even more expensive.
Yeah, that's way too much.
Yeah. I was like, you know what? I'm not even going to take it with me. Yeah. Have you been over here like at night when the car show's going on?
Yeah.
Dude, it's chaos. It's cool, but
I
it's...
was like hoping we could get a tow out of here before like I start to set up, and I'm like,
Yeah.
I might just sit out here and pop this hood, man.
Right. Someone comes by and just fixes it real quick?
Yeah, like, I don't know if they can do that, man.
No.
Shoot off by the mouse.
Yeah.
It's the wiring harness for the engine.
Yeah, you know why they do that, right?
It's a polymer they put on the outside.
It's soy-based.
Is that what it is?
Yeah, the rats think it's food, so they just fucking tear it up.
They've been doing that to like my internet cabling.
Yeah,
they
same
did
thing.
That like 4 times in a row.
Yeah. Good. Yeah.
Like now you have to car, that's it, dude. It's war.
Yeah, rats and pigeons are two things I
didn't care too much about the internet cabling because like I work for the government out there.
Oh, okay. Yeah. There you go. But when it comes out of your pocket, it's on.
I'm like, well, what the fuck?
Yeah. I get that.
My boys, they're 22s and I got up those varmint routes. I'm like, if you see it, it dies.
Right. Hell yeah. Is this you too?
Yeah.
Okay. So I know who to look for when I pull in. When we get there, I'm gonna go straight to the back, drop it, and then I'll come find you with the key.
The service area.
Yeah.
You kind of know the deal.
Yeah. Let me turn this off real quick. We'll get you paid up. That way I can just get out of there because I'm always in the way. Pulling into Chapman, Dodge, Chrysler, Jeep, Fiat, Alfa Romeo, whatever the frick else Stellantis owns. Oh man, this is going to be one of like 14 town and countries that I see already. There's no room for this thing, so we're going to kind of put it back here by this little island to get it somewhat out of the way. Man, he is not getting this car back for like a month. It's got wiring issues from rodents eating it. Not good. Oh, that's their fuel pump. Shit. Well, there really isn't anywhere else to put it, so try to get it kind of out of the way of the pump so they can still use it, but not going to be in the greatest spot. But we will do our best not to block fuel pump island. I didn't realize that's what it was at first. Must be new. Yeah, we'll try to get it next to that, whatever the hell that thing is, Wagoneer. Ran Wagoneer. Breaking Bad mobile. Kinda. Not really. I hear someone bumping Electric Avenue. It's gonna be stuck in my head now. Good God. Oh man, come on. Still got one call waiting at the moment. Jeep that Walmart got their hands on. Well, I guess I'll talk about that call when I get to that call, but don't take your car to Walmart to be worked on, unless it's for tires, and even then, nothing mechanical, please. It's all horror stories. I feel like my shirt is up in the back because I took my jacket off while I was at a light. Can't tell. Whatever, not worried about it right now. People walk up behind me, they're gonna get a show. Just kidding. Damn it. Already. Oh man. You hear it? Hopefully not, because then I'll have to mute that part of the video. Talking about it before, but it was a Katy Perry song and then some other Cher song, I think, from when I got into someone's car and their radio started playing. It's like, dang it. Just one more thing for me to have to worry about. Alright. Let's get the hooks off and we'll just roll this thing down in neutral. Okay. Don't think I set the parking brake because it rocked back and forth pretty good. I think I forgot that. Alright. Let's take our gloves off. Don't want to get his nice tan interior dirty. Let's see. Ugh. It's funny that Hellcats of the same generation as this thing make the same noises. I remember getting in one and I was like, what is that? I think they could come up with something else than just the generic chime. It's the same thing for like the older Ford GTs. There's something else too. I don't know, a lot of cars like that have the same chimes, like Corvettes sound like Malibus. Uh-oh. Yeah, this thing's doing all kinds of weird stuff. Just trying to roll the window up. That's all it's doing. Come on, want to get all the way up for him. Pause. Why is it only going that much? I don't understand. Come on. Oh, don't stop on me now. Well, nothing I can do about that, unfortunately. Okay. It's not blocking the fuel island, so it's kind of out of the way. Not the greatest spot, but they don't exactly have a bunch of free spots that I can get to. That's actually a horrible spot. I feel bad for that one, but he said it'll run with a jump start, so they can just jump it and park it somewhere if they want, but I don't exactly have time for that just now. Sorry. Right. Complete that one. Set our next one en route. Go give the keys to this guy. Hopefully he's just at the service desk and didn't leave yet. Alright. I guess I'll lock it too. Okay. Hopefully there's nothing in the way around here. Nope. Okay. Bunch of Amazon vans. I didn't even know the Amazon vans were... Oh yeah, I did, I guess. ProMaster. Huh. See if we can go find our guy here. That door is still messed up. I don't know if you guys remember from a couple months ago. That car we picked up here. The bay door is messed up. It still is. Oh, let's see if we can find where he's at. I think I see him. All set, man. Thank you. You as well. Yep. You look directly into the camera. I think it's so funny when people do that. Alright, let's get out of here. Alright, pulling up to customer's residence. Said they had Walmart change the oil and it pissed just about every bit of it out. Let's see what this Honda is doing, make sure we're not blocking them. I gotta pull up a little more, but they're going 2 miles an hour. Alright. What's this person doing? Oh. We're waiting for the person that just came out of the house, so we are good to go. Alright. Hello. So I'm imagining we're not going to start it, right?
I started, just backed it up a few feet.
Okay. I'm not going to start it, just so we're all on the same page, because yeah, if it's leaking oil, like as much as I can see.
Oh. He drove this all the way from Northside
all the way back here, and
It was burning oil, but I couldn't stop on the side of the road.
yeah.
And it didn't make any ticking noise, so
You have a receipt from when they changed the oil, I take it, right?
Yeah.
Make sure you keep that.
definitely finished.
Because if it's leaked out that much oil, and it probably was leaking while you were driving, I'm assuming, that's going to do quite a bit. That's going to do quite a bit of premature wear on the engine. I don't know. I'm not going to make assumptions, but
we'll see what they have to say.
well, they're going to try to minimize it. So I would take it to the dealer after maybe and have them do some kind of diagnostic or something, because I got to take pictures of it real quick. That's a lot of oil to lose.
Yeah.
And that's not even, you know, all it was leaking out. So, and God forbid your driveway is stained.
It's, we had kitty litter that we put on it, but we need degreaser now.
Yeah. Oh man.
You can see it all the way down.
I know. I kind of saw the trail. I was like, oh my gosh. Yeah, that's not great. And then obviously keep my receipt, my invoice, once we get to that point, and turn that into Walmart also. Because this is not the first time we've dealt with them for this exact issue.
Oh, really?
Yeah. You have the key?
Yeah, it's in the car.
Oh, okay. I gotta get the plate and the VIN real quick, and then we'll get it going. All right, got the plate. Let's see, the VIN should be right here, upside down.
How much you charge to tow it there?
I'm not exactly sure just yet, because we got to see what it's going to take to get it on the truck.
Okay.
But I will be as nice as I can, because you've already had quite the day. Let's see. I'm hoping it's going to let me shift it into neutral without starting it.
Yeah, I backed it up.
No, I'm saying, oh, you have the
key's right.
It said it's not. I don't see it right here. Unless I'm, no. Yeah, I don't see anything anywhere right here. Let me jump out for you.
Here, let me go see.
Okay. Careful on that oil, I don't want you to slip.
Yeah, here it is.
Okay. Watch, please. Be so careful. That
Right.
people underestimate. Yeah, people underestimate how slippery it is until they can't. All right. Okay, we got run. Let's turn that off.
Gotta push the button.
Yeah, I did, but it's not letting me shift it, so we got to do the override, which I believe is in here.
No.
It's back here, yeah. Damn, that hurt. All right. It's never been used before, so that's good. All right.
Oh, there was an override in there?
Yeah, I just got to get a little flathead to move the lock over, and then we're good to go. Yeah, we don't want to start it anymore. Don't do anything quite yet. Oh my gosh. Ow. That little panel like dug into my finger. Oh, not good. These friggin' Jeeps have enough issues as it is.
I think I'll follow you over there just so they know
Yeah. Whatever you'd like to do.
what the issue is.
Yeah. I mean, without making any crazy assumptions, there's only really two things you mess with an oil change, and the drain plug and the oil filter. Something's loose. Or non-existent. All right, we are in neutral. Put my screwdriver away so I don't.
It says there's no problem.
What? I was gonna say, no, I did not. I know.
So you just roll it back.
Yeah.
Really not dripping much now because it's all gone.
That's exactly my assumption. That's why I didn't want to start it. Say it can't leak much more out. All right. Oh. Need the screwdriver again to reset this so it doesn't roll down the hill. Here we go. We'll turn the flashers on just so nobody hits us. We're not that far out on the road though. Oh yeah, we kind of are. It's all good though. All right. At least he's in a good mood about it or whatever. I would be fucking livid. Oops, sorry. Excuse my mouth. All right. That it does, yeah. At least it looks like they tried to change it. But like I said, driving it that far with the oil puking out the way it is, they took at least, you know, enough mileage off of it to be.
Oh, I actually drove it to the general store.
Oh man.
So it's like 2.5 miles and it was blowing smoke the whole way here.
Yeah.
But we'll see what happens.
Right. I hope the best for it. Yeah. Should have backed up more. Haven't rolled my winch out like that in a long time. It's good for it though. Needs to be rewound every once in a while. Alrighty. Oh man. It is just absolutely covered in oil on everything under here. Let me try not to lay in this oil. Let's get the winch. The truck I had before this, a couple years ago, had a Bluetooth winch. You could like sit in the car and winch it up. That was cool when it worked, so it was very spotty, but this truck does not have that. This was a truck we bought in the middle of the pandemic. So everything's kind of bare bones. All right. All right. Man, what has he got on the steering wheel? Feels like there's oil on the steering wheel. All right. That should be good. Steering wise. Let's pop this. Oh yeah, we don't need this, do we? Yeah, we do. What am I saying? There we go. All right. Leave the gloves off because we're probably gonna have to steer it. that should be it. The ticket. Yeah, if you have barbecue cleaner, like the spray foam stuff, the barbecue like foam cleaner, that stuff works the best for getting that out of the driveway. Okay. Yeah, just so you know. Right? Essentially, but it's like really aggressive, if that makes sense. Okay. Yeah, because it's meant to clean grills.
Foaming barbecue?
Cleaner, yeah. Okay. Yeah. Huh?
You know a specific brand or?
Nothing. Yeah, any of them will do. I'm sure. Yeah. Get it back in park. Oh, the door almost takes me out. Back in park. Put the screwdriver in my pocket. It's probably gonna stab me when I get in the truck because I'm gonna forget it's in there. Oh, gotta turn the hazards off too. That one. All right. Man. Messy, messy, messy. Ooh. Try to not get that on me. See where it's coming from, kinda. Huh. Driver's side front. Still going pretty good. All right. Oh, my poor bed. It's had coolant and oil leaked on it today. Just today. Whole truck needs a wash though, so since it's a little warmer today, that's probably what we'll do after this. Bust out the Speedo and get it done. Just kidding. All right, one more. Man. Get that in there. There we go. Flip. All right, let's get it out of here. Whew. Tighten that up. I don't know why that gets loose every once in a while. All right. Good to go. Let's get it back down in the Wally world. Here in the Walmart parking lot. Gonna go back to their quote-unquote automotive section. Man. Let's see. We're gonna drop it around the front, because not the front of the store, but the front of the automotive section, because that makes the most sense to me. Yeah, we'll put it on that curb right there. That way we can back in and get the heck out of here. I'm trying hard to watch my mouth, I promise. You guys let me know if heck and frickin' and stuff like that is okay, because I've gotten quite a few comments commenting about my sailor mouth, or whatever you'd like to call it. I'm working on it, promise. Alright. Right about there. Never a good time when a car comes back on a tow truck. Especially after as simple as something as... Oh. Are you one of those? Which one? Oh, shoot. Okay, let me pull up. No problem. Absolutely covering my bed. Ooh, just tripped on stuff coming out of the cracks. Oh, thought I pulled it in already. Guess I didn't. Came out and was probably like, of course it's, as soon as I'm done, get blocked in. No, I will always move if you're nice, and if the bed's not already down, you're already doing something. Just like right now, I have ways to give you a couple minutes to get out of the way. Undoing all the straps first, because we know this thing is in park. I'm not going anywhere. Oh no. They're working on an NB Miata. Hopefully that thing survives. The Jeep is not. Hopefully that's their car they're pulling out all crazy like that too. Alright, lady. Move your Nissan Murano, please. yet to see my customer pull in. Well, their customer too, so I guess I can kind of let them know what's going on. I'm sure the customer called, but Alright. I was gonna roll this down, but we're just gonna winch it. They can figure it out from there. Oh man. Alright. Neutral. Here comes my customer, I think, in the white Tesla. Pretty sure that's what he was riding. I can't tell if it's him. His windows are kind of dark. Yep, that's him. Good. Now I don't have to worry about taking the keys in and everything. Just let him know the keys are in it and get out of here. Let's unhook and then we'll put it back in pork. Man, demolished my bed. Yeah, they can still get the Civic out. Alright. Oh shit. Almost fell over. Sorry. Alright. So the key's in it. I left the panel open so when they go to move it, they can just put it in neutral so they don't have to start it too. And then we're all set.
Sounds good.
All right, thank you, sir. All right, let's get out of here. Very nice guy. I was gonna go tell them what I noticed, but I'll let them figure it out. It's not my business. Alright. Let's get our drop-off picture. We'll put this down in there. Good to go.